Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a torchlight in simple manner. So that we need one bulb, one connector and one HW battery, and it's our calendar, and we need 2 to 3 rubber bands. I think so you know what is rubber bands. Yeah, that rubber bands we need. See guys, we brought this all here, right? Then see guys, we took 2 rubber bands also. Yes, you are right. We took 2 rubber bands also, and this is our bulb also we took. Now you keep this aside. Take a battery and place connector. See guys, this red wire will be connected to this yellow stripped for wire bulb. This bulb you will get in shops, electrical shops. It will be just 5 or 10 rupees. 10 rupees only, it will be just 10 rupees. And this connector in everywhere 5 rupees only, just see guys. And this battery is almost all 20 or 15, some homes 15 near somebody home 20, one place one situated. See guys, now this all we settled here, right? Then you have to take a calendar, and you have to place this battery here and connector here only, means bulb here only, front only. Then you have to rotate like this, roll it like this, and full we have to roll. Then we have to take one rubber band, we have to do for front and back also. See guys, if we want we can do for I did for front. If you want on, I did for back. If you want only, you can do one. And now you should take this bulb. Yeah, right. We have this bulb here, right? See here, we can get the holes like this, different holes. You can insert that in this bulb. It's your wish. Or else you can leave this like this only, but it will not come neatly. So that I am inserting in this correctly. I am inserting exact position, so that it can get superb and the light may glow. So that I'm inserting neatly. See guys, like this I inserted. You can also do here, it's coming. And one more rubber band, it's for necessary for front also, because to not leave from our hand. See guys, now I'll show you hide. See guys, it's nothing here, right? The bulb is so high. Now I'll show you up also. See guys, here you can see how the bulb glows. Down you can see. See guys, down it is coming neatly. See guys, nothing you can see here, yeah, right? Except the window. See guys, here what is there? You can see everything, guys. It's in a mirror. It is in a drum. See guys, everything we can see by this torch. This torch is so good. When the current goes, it will use so much. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See guys, how much the brightness also it is there. See guys, you can see, and you can easy to make. Just we need calendar, battery, and a torch, a small bulb and a connector. That's all, and rubber bands. It's a small process and small procedure to do this. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.